Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present what is the best stockbroker in Greece. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link, and you will get on this site called DEGIRO. DEGIRO is an investment broker, and I made a video in which I was comparing all brokers. It's got really popular, more than 10,000 views, and what I think is that for Greece the DEGIRO is best, and let me explain why. What you can do is just simply scroll down below to the Greece and then go to top right and register. Pretty simple, pretty easy through the link down below in the description. And not only because the DEGIRO was chosen by BrokerChoice, one of the best review site of brokers, as a best broker for stock trading and also best discount broker, BrokerChoice or choose also for many times that DEGIRO is like top notch year by year. And when we look on why is it really good, you don't have any account fee, any inactivity fee, any deposit fee, any withdrawal fees. There is nothing that it's going to trick you, you know, to like hidden fees or something. Then when you would come here to normal fees, you can see right here that you get US stock 0.7 per share plus 0.5. It's like really cheap. Then you can also trade options, and options are 0.50 per contract. And then markets and products, you don't have Forex or CFD, but you have everything else. So that's good. And also, like, investing is pretty simple there. I recommend also long-term investing and long-term investing into ETFs. DEGIRO got ETFs, some of them one time per month for free. So you can actually check it out. So you're not going to pay any commission. And that's pretty good. And yeah, so I recommend choosing DEGIRO over the others, even over eToro. It's like much better. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. So see ya.